Ever since the Disney Parks blog delivered the news we've all been dreading, which is the replacement of Hollywood Studios' Muppets Courtyard and historic Muppet Vision 3D with Monstropolis, there's been a lot of feelings on the internet, with the overwhelming consensus being,
Put that thing back where it came from, or so help me. Get that thing away from me, you guys. Put that thing back where it came from, or I'll poke myself in the eye. It's a work in progress. It's gonna get better.
It's also made the recent appearance of this popcorn bucket at Hollywood Studios perhaps the most cruel example of foreshadowing I've seen. But since it's official and Disney is committed to bringing Monsters, Inc. to Muppets Courtyard, I've been combing the interwebs for any other details, rumors, and just pure speculation, including 3 potential sites for where Muppet Vision 3D could live on at Walt Disney World. And in today's video, I fully intend to dive into that. But first, and most importantly, we need to talk about the Jim Henson Company's response to Muppet Vision being replaced and unpack what they're saying here. So this statement was posted on November 23rd, which was the day after Disney made the replacement announcement, and it reads as follows. Jim Henson's final project was Muppet Vision 3D, now regarded as a true theme park classic. Innovation was always Jim Henson's North Star, and his trailblazing career led him to a unique challenge, a truly immersive Muppet experience where audiences are part of the happy chaos of the iconic Muppet Show. Originally debuting in 1991, Muppet Vision 3D combined 3D technology with real-world practical effects alongside animatronic and live Muppet characters. The result was a one-of-a-kind Jim Henson experience and an unforgettable capstone to Jim's magnificent career. As we learn of the show's upcoming closure in its current form at Disney's Hollywood Studios, we look forward to Muppet Vision 3D's next act. So apart from the company acknowledging that Muppet Vision 3D was Jim Henson's final project and that it utilized practical effects with animatronics and live characters, which is something you do not see in most theme parks anymore, what stood out to me the most was, of course, that final line, which is, "We look forward to Muppet Vision 3D's next act." And as I pointed out in my initial video about this news, Disney stated in their announcement that they are, and I quote, "having creative conversations and exploring ways to preserve the film and other parts of the experience." The Jim Henson Company statement makes me think that maybe Disney already has a plan. That would be the best case scenario. But if not, good on the Jim Henson Company for saying what they did, as it will likely require Disney to follow through. WDW News Today has also reported that the Muppet Vision film has been digitized. So the question now is just, where could Muppet Vision and its next act take up residence at Walt Disney World? I've already speculated that the Lightning McQueen Racing Academy building, which is soon to become the home of Hollywood Studios' new villain show next summer, could be the future site for the show, since it will sit next door to the Muppet overlay that's coming to Rock and Roller Coaster and thus create another Muppet Land. But let me propose 3 other locations, with the first 2 being possibilities and the third being the most likely and what I actually think is going to happen. So the first is Hollywood Studios' Star Wars Launch Bay. Back when it was the magic of Disney animation, this building had a small theater and exhibit spaces. Whether the theater could be converted for 3D, I don't know. It definitely wouldn't be able to offer all of the show's effects, but the appeal with this option is that it would be a new purpose for this huge piece of theme park real estate. And if all the exhibit spaces could be used to showcase past Muppet and Jim Henson projects and offer photo ops, kind of like the Muppet Christmas Carol photo op at this year's Jollywood Nights. Another possibility? The small but functional theater next to the Frozen sing-along that currently hosts Vacation Fun. Again, I don't know logistically if that's even possible for a 3D show, but the reason I suggest it is the Backlot Express could easily become a home/exhibit for all of the props and gags from the Muppet Vision queue and safety spiel room, as well as those in the Stage 1 company store. Essentially, it could be that Muppets restaurant we never got without much effort from Disney, and in a way that fans can still see all of those familiar details and iconography, all while offering a limited version of Muppet Vision just across the way. The third and most likely scenario is the Muppets aren't just moving to Hollywood Studios' Sunset Boulevard, but also to Epcot. Epcot's Magic Eye Theater at the Imagination Pavilion would be the perfect fit for Muppet Vision since it's already an equipped 3D theater. And Disney has been actively integrating the Muppets into Epcot for years at this point through Muppet Labs, Regal Eagle, and more. Moving the show here would be the simplest solution, and it would be a way to sell Muppet merchandise at more than one park, so everybody wins here. We'll see what Disney decides, but I do think these options are possibilities, but only if they don't go for using the Lightning McQueen Racing Academy building. That option is my favorite because it would be the most cohesive for the park, but I can't deny that moving Muppets to the Magic Eye makes the most sense for Disney's bottom line. And just being real here, despite some Imagineers' efforts, convenience, timing, and profitability is what won the day in terms of Monsters Inc. land replacing Muppets to begin with, or so I've heard. So, the big question is, when will the monsters evict the Muppets? According to Disney Parks Chairman Josh D'Amaro, construction on Monstropolis is set to begin sometime in 2025, but that doesn't mean Muppet Vision will close next year. That construction D'Amaro's referring to may be limited to Disney breaking ground on the Door Coaster, which is set outside the current boundaries of the park. Logistically, I would think that Park Ops would want to maintain Pizza Rizzo, those restrooms, and Muppet Vision for as long as possible for capacity purposes. So the earliest I think that Muppet Vision will close is after summer 2025 and once the Villain Show gets off the ground. But the most likely time frame for a closure, in my opinion, I think is January or February of 2026. So that's all I have for this video, but I highly doubt it will be the last. Replacing Muppets Courtyard with Monstropolis and Rock and Roller Coaster with the Muppets overlay means we're losing yet gaining multiple restaurants, shops, and attractions. Plus, this change is impacting two different areas of a single theme park with potential to impact Epcot as well. So this is really big, and we've only seen the tip of the iceberg in terms of news and rumors. So if you're interested in learning more about what's in store for Hollywood Studios and beyond, please give this video a like, and I'll keep digging for news. And if you love Disney Park and Disney Cruise Line news and experiences in general, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'd love to have you along as we keep up with all that's on the way. But regardless, thank you for taking the time to watch, and I hope you have a magical day.